Today on Nebraska WoodSTR, we are back from the deer hunt just for a short bit. Got to get a little bit of stuff done in the yard. Here we go. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Welcome back. Welcome to you guys. I've been sitting in a deer stand here for about 5 days now. Nothing to report, been pretty slow. If you've been watching on my YouTube shorts, just the Northeast Nebraska rut update. Nothing exciting going on yet, but we're getting close. But had to come back for a quick meeting tomorrow morning. Here we are, what are we today? Thursday? Yeah. Quick meeting on Friday morning and then head back up to camp for the weekend. So anyway, figured I got a little bit of sunlight left here. Usually I'm parked my butt in a tree stand about this time of day. But as you can tell here, these piles are starting to just disappear. We're down to one. So we've been kind of working on that with the chainsaw. So today, just get a little bit of exercise. We're going to run that saw. So we'll bring that to you. Let's do it. Well, there you go. After the way I've kind of treated my body / liver through deer camp, I am sweating profusely, and it's only 50 degrees out. So yeah, that's what the old body needed anyway, but we'll keep working on this pile. Stupid time change is gonna kind of screw things up here. Sun is setting already and it's 5 o'clock. So yeah, that's gonna be a problem with that work thing gonna drag in, and doing stuff up here in the evenings is going to be difficult. And I would say by the time I get done deer hunting, between now and the next couple of weeks, any free time I have, I'll be standing or sitting in a tree, and then the daughters will get the rifles out and go bang away for rifle season. I think starts the 16th of November this year, so a little bit later. So we're not going to get a ton of work done up here in November, but that's like every November. So anytime we do have, we'll probably be making deliveries. Did have a couple of calls come in while I was sitting in the stand, so we've got to get those taken care of over the next week here. We'll find some time to get that done. These are going to be some bigger ones, and won't be able to do those on the way to work. Just not in the right direction. So anyway, we'll keep running this saw and try and bring some more of this footage to you as we start making our deliveries for the fall. One last thing, I'm hoping I can connect with a deer here again this year. My tree stand has a couple of phones, a GoPro, all hanging out of it, so we'll see when a deer does come by if I don't screw it up by trying to turn all that crap on. But that'll be that way I can get it on film and bring it back to you guys. So anyway, hopefully we can bring that back to you in an upcoming episode. You guys know the program. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the flip side.